Hi, this is your Simplified and we are here at KubeCon and CloudEducon. As we all know that running massive AI training jobs alongside LLM, inference and instant start AI agents on the same cluster is not easy. You need unified scheduling that handles all three without wasting resources. Volcano is evolving from a batch tool into an AI native unified scheduling platform with Agent Cube and Kathena. Today we have with us Thong Chen, maintainer at Volcano, to talk about all this technology. First of all, Thong, it's great to have you on the show.
Yeah, thanks.
First of all, let's talk about Volcano. What is it?
Volcano is an open scheduling platform for Kubernetes. It originated from the batch workloads, including AI training, HPC, and big data. But AI workloads are becoming more complex today. It not just include AI training, but also AI inferences, agent workloads, all running together. So Volcano is moving beyond the batch through becoming a unified scheduling platform today.
Excellent, thank you. Now, of course, Volcano version 1.14 is out. Talk about some of the major changes there.
The biggest changes in the Volcano 1.40 is the architectural. Volcano is moving beyond batch to a unified scheduling for the AI agent, AI workloads. So first, we introduced a multi-scheduler architecture. It is not just including a sharding controller, no shard, but also a dedicated agent scheduler for latency-sensitive workloads. Second, we enhanced the topology-aware scheduling for hypernode level bin packing and subgroup level support. It will enhance the AI training and inference to increase its performance. Third, we have enhanced also the co-location features to support the generic OS and to support like cgroup v2, support like CPU throttling. And together, all these features help Volcano to help the AI to scheduling for the full AI lifecycle.
Now, when we talk about AI, GPU, cost becomes a big problem, right? How does Volcano help organizations save money on cloud costs, especially GPU workloads?
Volcano help reduce costs by increase the utilization for the clusters. In an AI cluster, a lot of the costs come from wasted capacity, idle GPUs, fragmented placement, and efficiency communication. So Volcano will place those communication-heavy workloads in a same network domain, which improves training and inefficient serving. Second, with co-location, it will increase the deployment density in the same cluster to all run it together. So this together, Volcano the result is higher utilization, less idle time, and better use of infrastructure.
Now, as much as we like to bring the cost down, we also want to talk about making things easier. Can you also talk about how does Volcano makes it easy to deploy and use AI model, especially LLM inferencing?
Volcano makes AI model easier to use because AI today is not just for the simple scheduling, but for the intelligent routing, the AOM serving, KV cache awareness, and support for patterns like prefill and disagreement. So Volcano provides scheduling foundation for this, and Casino built top of it to become a Kubernetes AOM native platform. It is including such as KV cache aware routing, prefix routing, and it also support like the mainstream inference framework such as VOM, SG-long, but support bone standard inference and the prefix decode disagreement. Together with Volcano GAN scheduling and topology-aware scheduling, this will help users to run AI models on a more efficient and production-ready way on the Kubernetes.
Excellent, thank you. Can you talk about Agent Cube and how does it help AI developers manage these bursty instant start agents workloads?
Agent Crew is a Kubernetes native platform for AI agent workloads. It is designed for shortly interactive session reuse, which standard Kubernetes can not currently handle it. Agent Crew improves this with session-aware routing and a reusable warm pool and pre-provisioned environments for much faster startup. It provides also the out-of-box of SDKs, COIs, and richer ecosystem integration, so AI developers can use this tool to more easily use the AI agent workloads on the Kubernetes.
You have also introduced a multi-scheduler architecture with dynamic sharding. Talk a bit about what problem does that solve?
Because the multi-scheduler needs to cooperate together. Currently, Volcano has built a new scheduler called agent scheduler for specified for the AI agent workloads. It needs fast scheduling, and Born's existing batch scheduler needs to schedule batch workloads. So these are multi-scheduler running together on the platform. So we need to cooperate with this to use a dynamic node sharding mechanism to allow them work together. Yeah, it can to monitor the CPU utilization. If the utilization is higher than 18%, like the AI agent workloads are more prefer like the fragmented resources. So we can allow this shard allocated to the agent scheduler, and the other shard like below the 18% utilization, you can allocate to the batch scheduler. Allow them to run it together. Yeah.
Yitong, thank you so much for taking time out today and talk about Volcano. I really appreciate your insight, and I look forward to chatting with you again. Thank you.
Thank you.